Welcome to Exchange Rates UK. Maybe if it helps if I move the mic closer. Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 13th of September 2021. All right. So I mentioned this in the Cardano video, but something crazy happened with Litecoin this morning. There was and it's, by the way, you might have heard about this already, but it's just always fun to look at the how algorithms trade news. This is a candlestick. The white candle says, "Oh, Walmart is accepting Litecoin, yay!" And then it was just not a few minutes later. Maybe it was a little bit more than a few minutes, but I mean, it was. See, this ended up for 15 minutes. It did that, and then the rest of the time it just started to drop because Walmart said, "Oh yeah, that's not true," and Litecoin said, "Oh yeah, that's not true." So by the, I mean, if you know me at all, and if you've spent any time watching these videos I do every day here at UK Exchange Rates, you'll know that I don't really focus on news much. I make it anecdotal because that's the only thing that news is anecdotal. There's never been a single major news event that has ever terminated or created a new trend. You can read behavioral economics or behavioral investing. It is a required book for the Chartered Market Technicians Association certification. There have been many studies done on news and how pointless it is. So, but news is very important for some things, all right? For trading and for technical traders like me, it doesn't matter because we view really news as already something that is factored into future events already. I mean, if that makes... Anyways, I'm just ranting. Litecoin, that's on the 5-minute chart, but let's look at the daily chart. Where's it going? Probably down again. I mean, when you look at the close versus the open, we are lower than where we opened. The volume traded today, according to Coinbase's data, this is the highest volume traded since May 21st. The volume point of control is at 175, and we're just a hair above that. You can see Litecoin has been flirting with a drop below that zone. Had to pause because my son was crying and I totally lost kind of track of where I was. But anyways, pretty flat conditions on the RSI on the daily chart. The composite index curling up, pretty flat conditions on the percent B as well. I mean, minus some random price jumps. Everything's kind of returned to equilibrium. I mean, we have not moved much since August 13th. So for about a month, with the exception of the closes between the 3rd and the 3rd and 6th of September, we haven't moved much. We haven't deviated much at all. And there is a likelihood that the next move here is to the south. So watch for a breakdown below 175 because that will be a key level to look at. In fact, well, man, I tell you, I wanted to switch over to the point and figure chart, but now when I look at the point and figure chart, it looks like there's an inverse head and shoulders pattern forming on here. This is a $5 3-box reversal chart, so the range here is pretty substantial. All this price action has been that was all on the 7th and 8th. And then you transfer to today. Oof, this is a hard one to read right now, and probably best just to stay away from it. But I mean, we'll keep an eye on it and update it as needed. But otherwise, Litecoin's got some craziness going on. I don't like the setup on this chart at all for point and figure because there's doing the 3-box reversal. I mean, you're just kind of setting up for a pullback to continue further south. But this is just not a fun chart to look at. Good one to skip. But otherwise, if the rest of the market is going to continue to trend south, we're waiting for a big dip, another drop here in September. Litecoin is probably going to follow the rest of the market, so just keep an eye on that. Thank you all for watching. From All the Shit Exchange Rates UK TV, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.